Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about operators in structured query language. So the operators are reserved characters that are used to perform arithmetic or logical operations over some operand. Like an example, the addition, subtraction, greater than or the less than operator. All of these are example of operators in structured query language. And all the operators in structured query language can be divided into three broad categories. So first you have the arithmetic operator, and then comparison operator, and the logical operator. So first we're going to talk about the arithmetic operator. So the arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations over some operand. So first you have the addition operator. It is used to add two operand. So if we write a plus b, then it will return the addition of a and b. Similarly, we can use the subtraction operator and we can subtract two operands. Similarly, we can multiply two operands with the use of the multiplication operator. And next you have the division operator. It is used to divide two operands. And next you have the modular division operator. This operator returns the remainder after one division operation. And next we are going to talk about the comparison operators. The comparison operators used to compare two operands and it returns either true or false. So first we have the equal operator. This operator checks if the value of two operand equal or not. If the value of a and the value of b is equal, then this operator will return true, else the operator will return false. Next you have the not equal operator. It is opposite of the equal operator. Here if the value of a is not equal the value of b, then this operator will return true, else the operator will return false. And next you have the greater than operator. Here the operator will return true if the value of a is greater than the value of b. And next you have the less than operator. Here the operator will return true if the value of a is less than the value of b. And next you have the greater than equal operator. This operator will return true if the value of a is greater than or equal to b. And next you have the less than equal operator. This operator will return true if the value of a is less than or equal to b. And next you have the not less than operator. This operator will return true if the value of a is not less than the value of b. And next you have the not greater than operator. This operator will return true if the value of a is not greater than the value of b. So these are all the available comparison operators in the structured query language. And next we are going to talk about the logical operators. So the logical operators are used to perform logical operations. So first we have the all operator. This operator is used to compare a value to all the values in other set. And next you have the AND operator. This operator allows to have multiple conditions in a SQL statement. And next you have the ANY operator. This operator compares value in a list with some condition. And next you have the between operator. This operator is used to search value that are within a set of values. And next you have the IN operator. This operator is used to compare a value to a specified list value. And next you have the NOT operator. This operator reverses the logic of any logical operator. And next you have the OR operator. This operator combines multiple conditions in a SQL statement. And next you have the EXIST operator. This operator is used to search for the presence of a row in a specified table. And next you have the LIKE operator. This operator is used to compare similar value using the wildcard operators. So these are all the available operators in structured query language. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.